To activate a bank account in the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and clicking on the transfer option. From there, select the deposit option, which will take you to a new screen where you can choose fiat and then your desired currency. Next, click on the Link Bank Account option. As linking your bank account is a necessary step, you will be prompted to click on the Link Bank Account option again, which will open a new screen that outlines the process of connecting your bank account to the app. Click Continue. Then select your bank account from the provided list, and click Continue once more. You will be redirected to your banking website, where you will need to enter your username and password. Then click the Sign On option. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be automatically linked and activated if you have opted for the cloud option.